believe it or not, it's time to start fall crops. So I thought I'd start a couple things, maybe a little bit more kale, but broccoli mostly. So this is Bell Star. I'm going to start that, and some rapini. And then this is for overwintering, the early purple sprouting, but you need to plant it in the fall. So I'm going to try that. And we have collards, and I thought I'd try these two as like spinach substitutes. So Chinese multicolor spinach, look how pretty that is. And then some amaranth. And then, not quite yet, but I'm gonna start some cabbage in a little while. These only are about 45 days. This is Red Express and Katerina. So maybe in a month I'll start those. But yeah, let's go start some broccoli. We had to come inside because it was thundering outside, which I would rather do this outside because it's dirty, but oh well. So I have my favorite way of labeling seedlings, the wooden clothespins. Just keep a pack of that in my gardening stuff. And for me, I like to label them first and then plant the seed in instead of vice versa. So I'm gonna start planting. So I just opened up some seeds I bought from Renee's garden. Everything was half off, so I wanted to try this climbing zucchini. Sounds very exciting. And then I got a couple kinds of bush beans, because as I harvest things and pull them out of the ground, for instance those beets that look so bad, I'm going to put bush beans in. And here is some more purple cabbage. This one's a Napa cabbage. And some shelling peas. I love peas. And one more kind of broccoli. Mean crop broccoli. So, get these started. These gorgeous packages. I love it. This one especially. It is so pretty. So I did end up starting a couple more things. I did put the climbing zucchini in the garden, but then I thought just to be safe I'd start one over here and let it get big as well. And then because we're having so much trouble with roly-polies in the garden, they're eating the green bean seeds before they even get to the surface. So I decided to start two kinds of bush beans, the rock d'or and the weekender bean, and let them come to size before we plant them out. See if that works. These gorgeous plants. Broccoli, two kinds. So I used the Fox Farm Grow Big fertilizer for the first time. I'm very impressed. Cannot believe how, like, the leaf growth is insane. And it worked on almost everything I sprayed with. Pretty great. Time to pick some lettuce. Tomatoes are looking good. Starting to bloom. And look, clothespin strike again. I just take the tag out of the thing and clothespin it on something. A cage or stick. Use them all the time. Cucumber starting to climb. This lettuce is about done. This Early Simpson, or Black Simpson, sorry. So yeah, I'm gonna pull that out and start some more kinds of lettuce. Cabbage. These beets are looking terrible. It's so weird that my squash never came up. I don't know what's going on in this bed. But I finally got some blooms on the peas, which surprises me because it's pretty warm. But I guess it's not too warm. So yeah. More strawberries coming. Hopefully these ones don't get eaten by bugs. But I doubt it. Daisy. It's gonna bloom in a minute. Pinks. More broccoli. And potatoes are flowering. I haven't healed them up yet, but I'm gonna have to. So bugs are just devouring the peas, the green beans. There's my couple of zucchini that finally decided to come. But yeah, I'm gonna have to go bring more diatomaceous earth out. Which I have. Don't do that. Ladies, gotta say hi. Have to clean their coop out today. The worst job of the whole farm. What? You'll be happier about it. More potatoes. Oh, that's all. Just a couple chores we're doing. First week of June. Listening to the birds. Loving the flowers. Thanks for watching.